Unraveling the Mystery. I'm drawing a blank. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound a bit puzzling at first. I'm drawing a blank. Whether you're a language learner or just love to enrich your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and find out what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. When someone says, "I'm drawing a blank," they're not talking about art or pulling a blank piece of paper out of a hat. This phrase is actually a metaphor used to express that they cannot remember something or are unable to think of anything relevant in that moment. Imagine your mind as a canvas or a piece of paper, and when you try to retrieve a memory or an idea, you find that the canvas remains blank. That's exactly the feeling this phrase describes. Understanding where a phrase comes from can often help us remember it better. The expression, "I'm drawing a blank," has its roots in lotteries of the past, where tickets were drawn to determine winners. If you drew a ticket without a prize or any mark, you literally drew a blank. Over time, this concept was metaphorically applied to situations where people found themselves unable to recall information or come up with an idea, as if drawing a useless, prizeless ticket from the lottery of their mind. To get a better grasp of how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. During a test, when I saw the question about the capital of France, I completely drew a blank, even though I studied it the night before. In conversation, "What's the name of that restaurant we went to last month?" I'm drawing a blank. At work, "Can you remind me of the client's name?" I'm drawing a blank right now. These examples show that you can use this phrase in various situations where you find yourself momentarily unable to recall specific information. To enrich your vocabulary even further, here are some similar expressions you can use interchangeably with, "I'm drawing a blank." My mind went blank. I can't remember for the life of me. It's on the tip of my tongue. This one implies you're close to remembering, but just can't quite get there. Understanding these variations will not only help you express yourself more accurately but also help you understand others better when they use these phrases. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "I'm drawing a blank." We hope this video has illuminated this interesting expression for you and added a useful phrase to your English repertoire. Remember, encountering moments where you draw a blank is a universal experience, so don't be discouraged. Instead, use this new phrase to express yourself with confidence and clarity. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English language content. See you in the next video.